Hi
everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Or if you're new here, welcome and thank you for joining us.
Yes. If you've seen our videos before, something looks a little different.
What could it be? New year, new you, new hair. What else are we doing that's new today?
We are also doing well, it's not new, but it's just reorganizing my entryway. A good purge
the system. Purge the rotting little pumpkin right on out the White House. Now we're gonna purge the clutter out of your house.
Yes, and it's gonna feel so good. For transparency, most of the stuff that I'm going to be using to reorganize my entryway is from Open Spaces. They're not sponsoring this video,
but they did gift the items.
Yes, they did gift the items for Instagram.
Let the transformation begin.
Hold on, I need a bayang check.
Oh, she feeling herself.
So this is my back entryway. We also have a front entryway, but nobody ever goes through there. So this is real life current situation of my back entryway.
What we got over here?
We have this shelf with hooks. These? Oh my god, I don't even know. Like
sunglasses.
It's winter. Some random things.
Okay,
and then we have masks and my purse and keys. And then down here, like, we don't have any shoe storage. So we just kind of litter our shoes around. And then this basket is supposed to have, like, our slip-on shoes.
Oh,
like,
house slippers or just...
like...
To slip on to go outside.
Slip on to go outside, but also for in the house. It's just
okay,
a hodgepodge.
It's a
hodgepodge. So clearly, we need to do something.
Okay, so that's what we're working with.
This is what we're working with.
Oh, you got what?
How you do it until it gets tight, and then you go like this. See, quick tip.
Who taught you that? You're doing great, honey.
That's it. Ta-da! That's the video. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
See you later. Bye.
Could be staggered. That's fine.
Oh. But these shoes upstairs, so
you don't want to clean
after they get cleaned because somebody brought them back to me dirty. And then these will just go like right there.
Very cute.
These shoes are also going upstairs because I just wore them. That's why they're down here. These are my work shoes. See, my clogs for work. So these are going on the shoe rack. I have 2 pairs of rain boots. These, because I wear these all the time too.
Oh, do you now?
I do. And then that's all I'm going to put on there for now because I have the baskets that I want to use to put like
other things.
Open Spaces. They have room bundles to help you organize your space. So I got the Entryway Bundle, which comes with the shoe rack, 2 baskets, 2 bins, and a tray. Okay, so 2 baskets, and then 2 bins.
Okay,
and what were you came with?
The lids, did it not?
Oh, I didn't necessarily need the lids, but okay. And this is the nesting tray.
Girl, this is why you can't ever have nothing right.
Okay, nests like that. I think that's gonna go here. I use one of the baskets to put the like house shoes in. Also make it kind of cute. this basket was gonna be for the outside slippers.
So all these?
Yes. If they'll fit. Look at that. It makes me feel like my feet aren't that big. What we should keep in the bins and what I should just get rid of. Okay, those can go upstairs. Those clearly are not for blocking out the sun. Okay, these are broken. Hand sani. I feel like
oh, 2
should go. One should go here to grab when you're about to leave.
What is that?
This is what we used to scare each other with. I'll hide it in the shower or something. Okay. Got my beanie, my midi mitts, and where's my Starkey scarf? And then this will just go. Look, I could put way more shoes on here.
Bang shack. Bang yang yang.
My newly reorganized entryway. I think what we really, I mean, the baskets and the bins are great, but I think what I really needed was just
The shoe
organizer.
Okay, take us through. Start from the top.
Okay, from the top,
Make it drop.
we have my cute little plants lady here.
What kind of plant is it?
Pothos.
Okay, good.
Specifically lemon. This bin has
Your husband's.
my husband's things that need to be dealt with, that I'm not going to deal with because it does not bring me joy. And then down here we have our cold weather accessories because it's gonna snow. I'm manifesting it right now. A glassy baby. And then here we have a light jacket, of course masks, and then my purse, the one that I use on the daily, on the reg. We have our most worn shoes, which I feel like is going to get pretty full. It's looking kind of sparse right now, but I think it's gonna get pretty full once we start using this. And then this bin has our house slippers that we like to wear, you know, to take off your outdoor shoes, put on your indoor shoes. And then this bin has our like quick slip on to go like take out the trash or grab Uber Eats. And then on the tray we just have some hand sani, my keys, and that's...
And then your hunter ring.
Oh yeah, my hunter boots for the muck.
And then your sad peace lily. Womp womp.
I'm so sorry.
She'll be alright.
You is resilient. You is special. You can get through anything. Yeah, that's it for today's video.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up.
And also, if you want to see more from us, don't forget to subscribe. If you're looking for a nice shoe rack, or if you like the bins,
material.
Yeah, I will put the link in the description box down below for the stuff that I use. Yeah, if you want to see more of us, follow us on Instagram. We'll also put that in the description box down below.
And until next time, bye.
Bye. Ooh, she curly.